moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Snooze and miss.
I'm gonna make sure that the ice is actually on me.
This I said, I want to make sure it's the right.
There's some more over here. Oh, I think they're the same ones. Oh, there's purple. Maybe I should get purple.
That looks sus.
No, it doesn't. And nobody even says that anymore, so. I got a bunch of random stuff. You get another one. Period. Period. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real.
Take me high.
Flower bomb. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb.
These are nice.
No disrespect, baby. Just smile.
You like it?
My spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took me forever. Took me just to acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty bring your baton. Racing through my mind like she know you got that word. I heard that she been on strike. Can't tell me what's your mind. She been on them dollars first. Give a little macchiato.
Yo, we're at the mall. Yo, this is cute. I like this one more. Ooh, I think, which one? I think I like, I don't know. These two are really cute. This would be so cute with the Lakers jersey. So I'm gonna talk to y'all for a little bit. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but this stuff is cute. It's not a whole bunch of outfits, but it's cute. I was on the front and then on the back.
Some of those crops are nice.
She's preparing. She's preparing.
You sound like a witch.
The papers have been signed. It's about that time.
You are so wrong.
Dun, dun. Oh god.
I want you to stand up right here, and I want you to look straight. Don't go like this with your head. Just look straight. And tell me if those dots are straight for you. I could always move them. Mama, do you see them straight? I know she's on the outside. Do you see them straight?
It's hard to tell.
It's good. Turn the other way. Now, do you want me to just do it, or do you want me to count?
Just do it.
Just do it. Do it, do it, do it now.
Boom. Wasn't even that. I told you that. I told you.
I told her to.
Period.
She's a big girl.